On behalf of Asian School of Business and Asian Education Group, I, Shikha Katyal, am delighted to welcome our esteemed guest and distinguished speaker, Dr. Aruna Bhutta ma'am.
I first want to thank all the speakers who have spoken laurels about me, which is not true. And I think we need to understand how ordinary we are and how we can reach out to each one present over here. And there is nothing special about this Dr. Aruna Bruta. It's all nonsense, that you have heard. I want to give you a historical perspective, a small historical perspective from my life. When you read out, she was this and Dr. Bruta was this and this, तो मैं इधर उधर देखती हूँ किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Why? Because in class 4, when all my sums were wrong in the arithmetic test, my maths teacher in class 4 said, Aruna Dutt, you're a duffer. I probably didn't understand it so well, what the word means, but it hurt. And so would have wept for about 2 hours in the class, and felt horrible that other students are hearing that I'm a duffer and what will be my image and, अच्छी नहीं है, बदतमीज हैं. That's the horror in class 4. And I started to work harder in arithmetic. And then I was in class 8. जब थोड़ी थोड़ी समझ, थोड़ी थोड़ी अकल आती है socially. Surprise test, arithmetic class, all sums were wrong. And the teacher marked cross, big cross, red pencil के साथ. Ball point कहाँ थे तब? तो, and then she writes a note on that notebook to my mother, Mrs. Dutt, please come and see me. And I'm just looking at her and saying, I'm a duffer. And Mama and my brothers, they say, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, बहुत शार्प है. मैं या तो ये बकवास कर रहे हैं या वो बकवास कर रहे हैं. So you get into a conflict about your self-concept. Where do you draw your self-concept from? From teachers, from parents, from family, from environment, from friends? यहाँ तो सब कुछ ही गड़बड़ था. और सडनली मेरे को सोना मैम स्टेज पे बिठा के और ये सब बुलवा रही हैं, बोलो बोलो बहुत अच्छी हैं, बोलो बोलो ये है. अब पता नहीं सच है झूठ है क्या है, आइडिया नहीं है. बहुत कंफ्यूजन है दिमाग में. बिकॉज मैं इधर उधर देखती हूँ ये कौन सी डॉक्टर ब्रूटा के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, मैं तो डफर हूँ. दैट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द टीचर. At that age, you have so much of blind faith in your teacher. That is the impact that it does not go. In spite of my sharing all this, not only with you today, but with Carl Rogers, where I took training. And I said, this is what my teacher said. And he says, oh, so you're holding on to time. Okay, all right. You're still in class 8, right? So in class 8, you may have been a duffer. I said in arithmetic, in mathematics, yes, till now, total duffer. Till, others started coming. So I must narrate to you this, that when the note went, Mrs. Dutt, please come and see me. By that time, I had lost my father. So my brother, who was 20 years older than me, didn't marry because of me, brought me up liberally, came along with my mother and We went to school. I am standing like this. God knows I've committed a murder or something. And Mama is always saying, I'm sorry, ma'am, I'll work harder on her. Sorry, ma'am, I'll work harder on her. What harder can you work on me if Ishwar has not given me that faculty? My brain doesn't have that faculty. How are you going to work harder? Right? So my brother kept listening. He didn't speak in between. When everything finished, my brother said to the teacher, maths teacher, ma'am, I haven't come for that. She was very taken aback because maths teachers, I'm sorry if there are any maths and statistics and research methodology teachers here, forgive me, please. Bruta Saab is also one of them. Okay, so forgive me. And the teacher looked at my brother condescendingly and she said, what have you come here for? She was brash, she was rude. And he said, I have come here to find out when will my sister go on stage? When is she going to compare the house function? When is she going to lead the prayer? When will you send her for inter-school debates, for inter-school elocution contests? I haven't come here for maths. She was very offended. And she said, you didn't have to come to me for that. You go to the house teacher. And in spite of my mother having asthma and everything, he made her walk up to the house teacher. She was right behind the school building. And so my brother expressed the same. And she said, I wish you had met me before. I would have highlighted her before because she talks, doesn't stop. She talks to anybody and everybody. She doesn't know where to draw a line. She's not stupid, but she's over talented. I said, Jesus, एक कहता है डफर है, दूसरी कहती है ये stupid नहीं है. Where am I? So this is the self concept that is so confused in a child. And we as teachers, we as counselors need to think when we talk to each other. I don't only say kids, I don't only say students. When we talk to each other also, what is our body language? What is our verbal language? That needs to be understood. And if you say, I'm a professor, sweetheart, you may be a professor, you may be a director, you may be a chairman, you're still a student. If you don't be arrogant, there's going to be learning all through your life. So then came masters in psychology, and I had my viva for one of the practicals. And the examiner from Patna University asked me, what do you understand by the word learning? Come on, tell me, what do you know? Oh my God. Can't you talk a little more lovingly? So there's no love in his life. There's a lot of aggression and struggle in his life, which he's taking it out on a student, and that too in an examination situation where ऐसे ही दिल धड़क रहा होता. So I said, learning is a process by which we acquire new information. It may get translated into knowledge, it may not. But there's information being transmitted, whether in a social situation or in a psychological situation or in a tragic situation. Bhai kam bula karo. That the examiner cut me in between. I said it's a situation where one can acquire some information. ठीक है? Yes, I did that. And then he said, गुस्सा हो गई हो क्या? I said, जो बड़े करते हैं वो हम सीखते हैं, वो लर्निंग है. ये हमें सीखना है कि what are we talking to kids today? Gen X kids, digital kids, electronic kids, kids being brought up with AI, that's their friend. Or kids like us. कितनी बार कहा था ना पढ़ ले. That was our time. So there is a lot of difference, and you have to learn how to communicate. And it's not that teachers have to learn, it's not that counselors have to learn, even students have to learn. That would be learning process throughout your lifetime. And I will say, learning what? When you say social, that means customs, that means privileges, that means punishments, that means homework, that means learning that knowledge, that information, but putting in a good handwriting. Handwriting की practice करो. देखो तुम्हारे पापा कितना सुंदर लिखते हैं, ऐसे जैसे मोती पिरोए हुए हैं. So in my counseling session, मैंने कहा मैम आप इसको ज्वेलर बनाना चाहती हैं, मोती पिरोए हुए हैं. And look at cross-cultural comments, how they are meaningless. American children have forgotten how to write. All their assignments are on the computer. What are they going to write? So उसको तो नहीं कह सकते ना. You must write that nicely as if you are beading it into a thread for a necklace. Can you? He'll say, what are you talking? Are you mad? Because he's only going to type. You can look at the advantage, you can look at the disadvantage of technical growth. You can also look at how we will continue communication skills and communication processes between a student and a teacher, which is culturally not relevant. Write nicely, good handwriting to an American student. You can't. There was someone here, child psychologist. She was saying, I'm a child psychologist. Okay. So one of my very pet assignments, I would say, interaction as well as outcome as an assignment to kids is who are having fear of writing, and they could be dyslexic also. So the fear gets enhanced because they convert D into B, they convert E into C, C into E, or they're probably also in too much of a hurry to finish. And so they make those careless mistakes, and sometimes they are diagnosed wrongly. And I tell them, 1 page of handwriting every day. I do. But can you tell that to an American child? You can't. So cross-cultural techniques could be different, but in the Indian context, we are still at the writing stage, which is good. And you will be shocked when I connect it with what? It is good for their age, their stage of learning, their stage of growing. But it is good even when they are aging like me. And if they develop dementia, it's always nice to write with the left hand as well as the right hand. I want to share this with you, whether it is within the area of what I'm being asked to talk about, because I'm seeing that age of dementia is reducing. Yeah, you. Earlier we thought 80 plus have dementia, Alzheimer. We're trying to see 60 plus are having it now. I have as young, you can't see me there, beta. Why would you put the podium so much in the corner? I'll come to you. Can I shift this? Are there any other? No, I will shift this, please. What is he listening to? Attention कैसे पे करेगी अगर visual नहीं है? ठीक है? ठीक है? चलो. Can you see me now? Hear me now, right? So the age is reducing. And what are the initial signs of it? मुझे याद ही नहीं रहता मैं क्या करने आई थी. मुझे याद ही नहीं रहता मैं क्या लेने आई थी. विद द रिजल्ट मैं सारी अलमारी ढूंढ ढांड के फिर वापस चली गई. मुझे याद ही नहीं है मैं क्या बोल रही थी. This is the early onset. And if you're not aware, as some students are here, if you're not aware, if you're a right-hander, your left side of the brain is stronger. And if you're a left-hander, your right side of the brain is stronger. Can we put it together? Why? Why does this deterioration start to come? मेरा कोक कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Okay. क्यों? वो ये नहीं ठीक?
नहीं नो इशू आप जैसे कोई फोटो
चुप करके बैठ जाओ बाबा. He's as old as my grandson, isn't it? How old are you? How old are you? 30? 34. 1 year older than my grandson. Sure. What did you think? I was telling Sona, ma'am, don't call me. Your teachers and your students and your counselors are going to hate me. Right? She said, nahi na. मैं कहा नहीं हाँ ना. Because I don't think Sona even knows how old I am, and I don't mind announcing it. They say women hide their age, even men hide their age. Stop thinking that women hide their age. Even ask a man who's 80, and I say, "Sir, आपकी उम्र क्या है? क्यों पूछती हैं?" मैंने कहा, कोई प्रॉब्लम है पूछने में? क्या पता मुझे इश्क करना पड़ जाए तुम्हारे साथ? कोई पता है? So he asks me, how old are you? I said, bloody 81. ये मेरी age है. So my grandson is 32 and a half, right? So all I'm saying is, age is a number. Question is, आपने क्या learn किया? Now, why did I pick up such a difficult topic? Social emotional learning. Hey Ram, कहाँ से ऐसे difficult words आप उठा के लाती हैं और फिर speaker को बोलती हैं तू बोल. And then I realized, ma'am, the importance of PPTs. They allow you to focus. They allow you to think. What am I going to talk? If I didn't have these PPTs, probably I would go on and on off the point. They keep you in time, in focus, what to talk. And I have many clients where the parents are, good morning, doctor. Good morning, जी. ये मेरा बेटा है. मैं इसके बारे में बात करने आया हूँ. अच्छा, ये इंट्रोवर्ट है. इसको एक्सट्रोवर्ट बना दीजिए. Right? So after taking down whatever details, birth history, etc., I'll ask the parents, who is an introvert amongst the two of you? हम दोनों ही ऐसे हैं. अच्छा, दोनों ऐसे हो तो you expect the child to be something different. Because children are the outcome of their environment. And the environment is the school, the institute, even the chowkidar of the institute. That is very important to understand. So I asked the parents, राखी पे क्या करते हो? कुछ नहीं, हम घर लॉक कर देते हैं, ये अपने भाई के यहाँ चली जाती है, मैं अपनी बहन को लगा के बस घंटे डेढ़ में वापस आ जाता हूँ. आई सेड, आपकी बहन आपका भाई घर नहीं आते आपके? यू डोंट इनवाइट देम फॉर लंच और फॉर डिनर? नहीं जी, हमें बात करनी नहीं आती. वो तो मुझे भी नहीं आती. And you expect the child. Now let me give you an opposite example. मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही, मैं अपनी कमी बता रही हूँ. A family came to me, नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते जी. I said, आओ बैठो, हम भी ब्रूटास हैं. मैं कहें, because brutas are so few that they would be related to each other. So I said, अच्छा कहाँ के रहने वाले हो आप? होशियारपुर के. Same. Okay. My husband is also from Hoshiarpur. Okay. कहाँ रहते थे? वो होशियारपुर में एक हरियाणा विलेज है, वहां पे रहते थे. Christian also, my husband also used to stay there. So I called up my husband. I said, you know some brutas in Delhi? No. Okay, put down the phone. I called up my elder brother-in-law, Bruta Saab's bade brother. I said, Praji, do you know some brutas? No, no, no. Social nahi hua jab Delhi migrate kare. That thing was not there. In the meantime, my granddaughter, who's in class 10 now, she was about 4 or 5 years old. And she says, Badi Mummy, zara andar aana, baat sunne. I thought since her mother is not at home, maybe she needs me for something. I went inside. ये भी ब्रूटास हैं, तो इनको कुछ दे के भेजना है, खाली हाथ नहीं भेजना है. Learning. You're learning. You're modeling for your child. मैं भी इंट्रोवर्ट, वो भी इंट्रोवर्ट, मेरे बच्चे को एक्सट्रोवर्ट बना दो. वाह, कैसे करोगे? You also need to change. That's very important. Another example I want to give. Here's a child coming to me in class 8. Has a writer for the exams because cannot write. Okay. Is always treated badly by her mother. Why were you born like this? She goes to school and the teacher tells her, have you practiced any writings at home? She writes, she answers, I'm not born like that to write. Where did she pick up that sentence from? Mother. And ma'am, after 1.5 years of counseling, she refused this time in her test that I don't want to write her. She wrote her exams. Her marks were less, but she's independent. Do you see that? The dadi is thrilled. The mother is saying, number to kam aaye na, number to kam aaye na. And Sona ma'am, I'm not a topper. I'm just average. If you talk in terms of marks, that's very important to understand. That you can't push an average person to become a ghoda from a gadha. But let me also tell you that we can influence personalities by motivating them to be hardworking And hardworking comes even in social and emotional learning. It's not just studies. When my father expired, my school was changed. So the principal said, we'll give her an entrance exam, and if she passes that, only then we'll give her admission. So in my maths test, I had 5 on 100. And we had 11th, we didn't have 12th. Higher secondary, if you remember. And we said, I had 100 on 100. Not that I ever had that faculty for maths, but what I did was, the arithmetic book was this thick, and every sum, I did it in 50 different registers. So it was almost like rattuing. And in the exam, I knew the answer to a sum. Rate of interest, I said 4%. Yehi answer hai iska, I was telling myself. But I forgot ki statement kya hai. Gadha hu na? वो भूल गई, लिखूं कैंसिल करूं, फिर लिखूं कैंसिल करूं, फिर छोड़ दिया किच करके. आंसर ठीक था. तो मैं खड़ी हुई कि मेरा 15 मिनट अभी है, लेट मी जस्ट सबमिट माय पेपर एंड गेट आउट ऑफ दिस एनवायरनमेंट. And suddenly when I got up, I shouted in the examination hall, board exam, Agya. The invigilator ran and said, you're cheating, you're talking. I said, no ma'am, Agya. She said, ये पागल है. आ गया मतलब स्टेटमेंट याद आ गई तोते को. मैं उसको सारा सम काट के आंसर शीट के पीछे वो सम दोबारा किया. So 100 on 100. And my brother would say, not the eldest, who's like a father, the other one would say, मम्मी अभी हफ्ते में आपको चिट्ठी आ जानी है, ये रिजल्ट गलत है, इसका हो ही नहीं सकता. मम्मा कहती हैं, इतना हार्डवर्क किया है, एक एक सम 50 अलग अलग रजिस्टर्स पे, तू क्या है? Even that was wrong. When you compare kids, because he's a scientist. नंबर नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि मेहनत नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि रिवाइज नहीं करेगा. That is a social skill. That is a motivational skill. And who will put that? The teacher. But हमारी language अच्छी हो. Have you looked in schools, parent teachers meeting? आपका बच्चा तो क्लास वर्क ही नहीं करता, ये क्या करेगा? What are you saying? So, my fundamental question is, अब कैसे करते हैं मुझे क्या पता? My fundamental question is, who learns? Does the student learn or does the teacher learn? I think the teacher learns. Think of your days when you were a teacher for the first day, for the first month, for the first year. Are you the same? Now you're comfortable. You've learned. You've learned how to deal with different kinds of students, with different kinds of colleagues. I would always wear bangles. And one of my senior teachers said, अरुणा तू ये क्या हर वक्त छमक छल्लो बनी रहती है, तू प्रोफेसर है. मैं आपके जितनी रो रही हूँ बैठ के. मेरी कोलीग आई, हो रो रही है सुबह सुबह, पागल है, क्यों रो रही है, घर में सब ठीक है? कहा क्या हुआ? वो मैम ने मेरे को बोला मैं छमक छल्लो हूँ, मैं प्रोफेसर नहीं लगती हूँ. ठीक है. तू है ही स्टूपिड, तू इडियट है, कल देखना मैं क्या करती हूँ. So she wore very glamorous clothes the next day. She was senior to us, not that senior, जिसने comment किया था. So that Senior teacher came and said, "Oh, Sudesh, tu bhi aise Aruna jaise?" Sudesh says, "Ma'am, अच्छा लगता है, जीने का दिल करता है." And that teacher was quiet. The teacher learned not to criticize us like that. We learned how to give a polite jawab. उससे क्या हुआ? Our mental health improved. I didn't cry, she didn't cry, she didn't sado, I didn't sado. And that teacher learned where to draw a line, what to say to us and what not to say to us. And would you be surprised? 10 years later, when we all started gelling, that very senior teacher said, "मुझे तो जीना अरुणा ने सिखाया है। मैं बहुत इनहिबिटेड रहती थी, पर इसको देख देख के मैंने अपना ड्रेस इंडियन किया है." I'm so proud to be an Indian. And I think we also learn as teachers, as therapists, as psychologists, as counselors, as teachers of science, as teachers of commerce, as teachers of research methodology, we also learn. And when I was newly married and would dress up like this to go for a lecture somewhere out of my college, out of the university, even Brutus would say, "थोड़ी सी इंग्लिश बोल लेना." मैं क्यों, क्या हुआ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? कहते हैं नहीं तो सब लोग कहेंगे, "ए माई इधर झाड़ू लगा दे बिकॉज यू ड्रेस अप लाइक अ भंगन." आई सेड, "सो बी इट." Because at that age, what did men want women to be? Sindoor, chup, pranam Guruji. अरे कल हमने तुम्हारा लेक्चर सुना, बेकार था. अच्छा गुरुजी, सवाल जवाब नहीं करना. That is what they wanted, right? There is a continuous change in our attire, in our behavior, in our verbal interaction, in our non-verbal interaction. Who plays a role? Media. Media plays a role. The young ones at the back, I don't know how many movies you would have seen of an actress called Meena Kumari. बेड़ा गर्क कर दिया हिंदुस्तान का. न जाओ सैया पढ़ूं मैं पैया. So the men started thinking we are खुदास, पढ़ो पैया फिर, दहेज लेके आओ. And I'm sorry to say, 2024 हम दहेज लेके जा रहे हैं. Men तो हैं ही men, they expect it, but women are proudly buying and carrying it with them. Sorry. Too bad, too sad. You're still with your image that you have to bring something to your in-laws. So 1965, Sona ji, when I got married. So my brother said, "Ye palang leke jana hai." I said, "Kyun? If he wants me, he should have the palang, otherwise I'm not going." So it's the women who will stand up to this nonsense. If you want it, then that means you need it. I don't need it. It's okay. What is the learning that is taking place is self-realization, self-concept. What is my self-concept and what is your self-concept? Time will tell. But your self-concept carries a lot of negativity. If you're negative with your children, your students, they learn from you. They get hurt from you. and you are throwing your beliefs, your attitudes, your culture onto your student. He may accept it, he may not accept it, he will become frustrated. How will he express his frustration is the issue. It all depends how we have learnt everything. And learning means helping a person grow, where not just the textbook is alive, but happiness is there. I find even IAS results, I happen to meet them, train them for interviewing skills. How are they going to appear for an interview? And they say, कुछ नहीं किया जिंदगी में, पढ़ 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 पागल हो गए हैं. There's no happiness in my life. तो फायदा क्या हुआ if there's no happiness? Because if you don't have happiness, you're going on a dharna. If you don't have happiness, you'll be critical of others, all these politicians. And poor guys, let me not name, whoever always don't win the elections but come from elite backgrounds, poor things have not gone through an aptitude test. And the parents are wrong there, because there's someone in the family who's been in politics. You want every child to be in politics, whether the child has an aptitude for it or not. Whether he's had adequate children, teachers, good principles or not. So my major point here is, who learns? And I heard some whispering here, students learn. Who is a student? I am a student. I am a student. And ईश्वर करे कि मैं student ही रहूं. क्योंकि there's so much to learn and pick up from each other. So much. And it's not textbook knowledge only. You said emotional. How to talk, how to walk, how to exchange, how to express, how to help people convince that they should be like this and not shout at them. And we in India use punishment as a method. तुम stupid हो, इतना भी नहीं जानते. अच्छा, आप क्या थे जब आप छोटे थे? तो सब कुछ जानते थे. But we forget ourselves. And we are just bookishly idealists. तुम इतना भी नहीं जानते. भाई कितना जानू मैं? I'm only 18, 19, 20. Bloody you are 40, 50, 60 and like me 80. Look at your communication skills. And it's your communication skills that are required in therapy, in counseling, in teaching, in interacting with anyone. Whether it's your student in the classroom or whether even on the road you are. So I went to give a check to a professor who was the secretary of a housing society. And I was late by half an hour because I had a puncture on the road. And he said, पता नहीं औरतें गाड़ी क्यों चलाती हैं जब उन्हें गाड़ी के बारे में पता नहीं होता. Wow. तुम्हें तो बहुत कुछ पता है भाई. So I said, सर आप यूनिवर्सिटी कैसे आते हैं? मैं तो टू व्हीलर पे आता हूँ, मेरे पास वेस्पा है. उन दिनों में वेस्पा था. तो मैंने कहा आपका जब पंक्चर हो जाता है तो आप अपने आप लगा लेते हैं, स्टेपनी लगा लेते हैं? अब इतने इंटीमेट सवाल क्यों पूछती हो? मैंने कहा आपने उकसाया मुझे तो मैंने पूछा, मुझे सपना आना था कि मुझे ये सवाल पूछना है. So before you pass a comment on anyone, hurt the other person, break his confidence, think twice what you are. It doesn't mean that, like introverts or like public shy people tell me, मैं बात इसलिए नहीं करता कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ गलत ना बोल जाऊं. Fear of failure, fear of the wrong, ये भी नहीं होना चाहिए ना. ये तो पता होगा कि मैं ताने मार रहा हूं या मैं सही बोल रहा हूं. I have a parent coming to me and saying, ये मेरा बेटा है, ये 10 साल का है, ये अंधा है, ये बाय बर्थ अंधा है. मैंने कहा अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है शायद आपकी आंखों में तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम लग रही है मुझे. आप मुझे कैसे कह सकती हैं? Very angry with me. I said आप अपने बच्चे का कॉन्फिडेंस तोड़ रहे हैं ये बोलने के लिए. आजकल तो एजुकेशनल फील्ड में इनके बड़े स्पेशल वर्ड्स आ गए हैं. Are we ready to learn those words? Learn. सोना मैम बोलती है ना, सोशल इमोशनल लर्निंग. Learning. You've not learned the new technology, you've not learned the new terminology. What are you saying in front of the child? मेरे बाद इसका क्या होगा? ये तो अंधा है. मेरे बाद इसका क्या होगा? ये तो अंधा है. और वो कहता है आंटी मम्मी हर समय टेंस रहती हैं, वरिड रहती हैं, पर मैं ना कंप्यूटर चला लेता हूँ. रियली? वाओ, वेरी नाइस. हाँ तो मेरा स्पेशल कंप्यूटर है, ब्रेल से चलता है, मैं चला लेता हूँ. मैंने कहा मेरा भी दिल करता है सीखने को. तो कहता है आपका दिल क्यों करता है? मैंने कहा कोई नई चीज सीखने में बुरी बात क्या है? जरूरी है कि अंधे ही होना है टू बी ऑन अ ब्रेल? मम्मी ने तो सीखी नहीं. मम्मी तो कहती है मुझे मत सिखाना. You're actually angry with God. Why is my child like that? You're taking it out on him. So my therapist in the US said, you come from a backward country. How much can you learn? Why have you come to study here? You have no psychology in your country. So by the time I finished my hospital training, clinic training, blah, 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 he said, Aruna, you're mad. I said, oh, you realized it. I am. I am crazy, right? So he says, don't go back to India. Stay here. I'll get you the license. You just have to pass an exam. मैं तो पागल है क्या? तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूंगी मैं. अपनी कंट्री में जाके अपनी कंट्री को चेंज क्यों नहीं करूंगी मैं? And I owe it to my brother. He's aging. What he has made me today, I want to put it back and I will serve him. मुझे सेवा करनी है. He says, you know, I used to think you're only half mad, but you're completely mad. I'm telling you, I'm going to get your visa converted. You're not going to be in trouble. So I said, I don't live only for myself. I have to heal. I have to grow. I have to learn how to grow others, how to spread happiness, contentment, satisfaction, so that I'm not a sadist. and I will talk about a teacher. Does anyone understand what is a teacher's life in a school? In a school. She gets up at 4 o'clock in the morning, cooks for her mother in law, father in law, a divorced sister in law, makes the children's lunchbox, makes her lunchbox, makes the lunchbox for her husband, takes a bath, makes the bed covers, puts the rajais away, and she reaches school with only those 2 hands and 2 legs, and poor thing, 1 brain where learning takes place. Has anybody appreciated her? No one. अरे स्कूल टीचर बन जाओ, मजे में है, 4 बजे घर आ जाओगे, तुम्हारा मैरिड लाइफ बहुत अच्छी जाएगी. द हस्बैंड से, तू कुछ मत करियो किचन में, तू मर्द. वो करेगी और वो बाहर नौकरी भी करेगी. एंड फिर वो जूते भी खाएगी, ताने भी खाएगी, फिर वो होमवर्क भी कराएगी बच्चों को. Does anyone give credit to teachers? What are they learning? Frustration. Where does it go? On to the students in the class. So there's emotional destruction. There is no emotional construction. That's what I want to say. Can we have from today's seminar an insight that it is our responsibility to emotionally construct each other rather than to destruct each other? That's very important. All those who are counselors here, please raise your hands. So, do you remember your first day, first case? What was your halat? I'm sure you slept with the case study. You slept with the case study. How many are teachers here? Teachers, deans. ऐसे इतना छोटा हाथ क्यों करो? Be proud of what you do. And when you took your first class ever in life, and when you went back home, पता नहीं कैसा हुआ. हाय हाय, बच्चे कितने खराब हैं, सुनते ही नहीं हैं, बातें करते हैं जब मैं बोल रहा हूं मैं टीचर, मैं गुरु. What is hurt? What is nervous? My ego as a teacher. My ego strength in the class. I'm feeling weak. But at the same time, I'm more hurt. I am a teacher. And as Carl Jung would call it, one of the psychologists, he would call it, that your current teacher status is also with your previous teacher status. I'm a guru. That's the archaic you are having in your mind. I'm a guru. हाँ, कितना गंदा स्कूल है, कितना घटिया स्कूल है, क्लास में टीचर बच्चे जो हैं वो बातें करी जा रहे हैं, मैं लेक्चर कैसे दूं? अगली बार कराना एक चांटा मार दूंगा. अच्छा, पहले तो सीबीएसई पकड़ के ले जाएगी, हाथ क्यों उठाया? मैं क्लास से बाहर निकाल दूंगा. You're trying to use your power because your ego strength is weak. Your ego is hurt. You don't have the strength to find out the correct way. Why are children talking in the class? Because they don't like the subject. Why are they talking in the class? Maybe they're not allowed to talk at home. Maybe they suffer from very severe inferiority because they are always being tokoed. तू ऐसा है, तू गधा है, तू घटिया है, हर वक्त बाजार का खाना खाता है, मोमोज खाने हैं, चाउमीन खाना है, पागल है, तेरा लिवर खराब हो जाएगा, अच्छा होगा हो जाए तो. What are you doing to his ego? Because you are not able to exert your power over the child, whether at home or in the class. So you curse the child. So, what is the cost of the control that you are using over your own anger, emotional learning? There's a cost you pay for that anger, and that is you become irritable. Sir, can I go to the washroom? इसी वक्त जाना होता है क्या? जा. He's saying, क्या हुआ इसको? चीख क्यों रहा है? ये टीचर है क्या है? Your ego is being displacing the anger onto him. Because your image is not clear. Am I a teacher? Am I a guru? Am I a dictator? That when I talk, don't whisper. Why? नहीं मजा आ रहा यार. कुछ खटक गई दिमाग में, शेयर करनी है, भूल जाऊंगी. चौक लिया, टीचर ने कुछ लिखा बोर्ड पे, पीछे उसको चौक मारा. माँ को तो मार नहीं सकते, किसी और को मार नहीं सकते, वो टीचर पे निकल गया. डिस्प्लेस्ड एंगर फ्रॉम द चाइल्ड्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, डिस्प्लेस्ड एंगर फ्रॉम द टीचर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. See the interaction. So who's my favorite student then? Then you start making favorites. And who's the most irritating student? Tomorrow, if he asks you a genuine question, तुझे नहीं समझने आने वाला, छोड़ दे. तेरा क्लास में तो है ही नहीं. हर चीज 3-3 बार करता है, जान के क्लास को डिस्टर्ब करता है. This is your animosity, your anger, your hostility, displaced emotions. And what is the child learning? That when I grow up, I'll also be like that. In the meantime, there's a girl sitting in the class next to him and he says, she pulls his shirt and says, बैठ जाना, क्यों डांट खा रहा है ना, पागल है वो. मुझे खींच क्यों रही है? तू पागल है, मैं पागल नहीं हूं. And there starts a controversy. Teacher is unable to control the class. Both are learning negativity. Both are learning negativity. ये जब मैं PPTs बना रही थी, तब मुझे ध्यान आया कि सोना मैम ने ये टॉपिक क्यों चुना. अदरवाइज मैं गुस्सा करे, ये कोई टॉपिक है, क्या बोल रहे हो यार, पता ही तो है. सब कुछ नहीं पता होता. Sometimes we know things, but we don't enact them out because our emotions are on the way. So we've not learned emotional balance. We've not learned control of emotions. We've not learned communication skills. And I think learnings for a teacher and learnings for a counselor make the person far more resilient, good, understanding, skillful. They give you patience. My clients ask me sometimes, मैम आपको गुस्सा नहीं आता? यार आता है, मैं इंसान का बच्चा हूं, चमगादड़ का बच्चा थोड़ी हूं, बिना देखे उड़ती जाऊं, लेकिन एक्सप्रेस नहीं करती. तो फिर तभी तो आप बीमार रहती हैं. आई सेड नहीं, आई राइट, and I have it out. And I also have friends who are psychologists, and we discuss हमको गुस्सा कब आया, क्यों आया. One has a better insight into the other's emotions, because when you are having emotional imbalance, you're blind to logic. When are you emotional? When the logic doesn't work. We have to be logical. You see two people fighting on the road and holding back the whole traffic. क्योंकि लग गई. लग गई तो क्या हुआ फिर? अब क्या करोगे? मर जाओगे इधर ही लड़ लड़ के. So I get down from the car and I move inside the crowd and ask, क्या हुआ? इसने मेरी गाड़ी को मारा. ऐसे इसने मारा, आपने मारा, लग गई ना. क्या करना है? मडगार्ड ठीक कराना है या नहीं कराना? इंश्योरेंस है? हाँ है. मैंने कहा नंबर इसको दे दो, ये अपना नंबर तुम्हें दे दे. ट्रैफिक क्यों होल्ड किया हुआ है? पर इसने मारा क्यों? घर से मार खा के आया. Where he couldn't retaliate at home, he retaliates on the road. Mera right. Which right are you talking about? Try to understand behaviors on the road also, how frustrations open up. इतने में पुलिसमैन आता है. हाँ भाई क्या हुआ? हाँ ओ लग गई. किसने किसको मारा है? And I say, आप पैसे बनाने आए हो क्या? आप कौन होती हैं इनकी? मैंने कहा जो आप होते हैं ना इनके, मैं वही हूँ. आप जरा डंडे से करते हो, मैं जरा प्यार से समझाती हूँ. फर्क यही है. So the richer one will say, यार रफा दफा कर, चलान मत कर, कितना लेना है तूने पुलिस वाले को? And I'm saying, इसमें कैमरा है, करना है. So both of them are quiet. I said, इस कैमरे में मैं लड़ाई ले ली है आपकी, जो माँ बहन की गालियां आपने दी हैं और आपने दी हैं, वो भी कह ली. मडगार्ड सबका ठीक हो गया गाली देने से. These are frustrations for emotional disturbance, where you're emotionally unlearning because you never learned. There was a movie, isn't it? Albert Pinto ko gussa kyun aata? Therefore, you need to have workshops on anger management. You need to have workshops on communication skills that emphasize the usage of positive reinforcement than negative reinforcement. That is what is important. And to come to the student in the end, I think students are negative, students are frustrated because we don't give them positive reinforcement. When my grandson was about, 7, class 2 or something like that, and in a parent teachers meeting, the teacher said, he can't tie shoelaces. And I said, we tried the whole of Delhi. It is really surprising that Velcro shoes were out of stock. That's why we bought the shoelace. Otherwise, I wouldn't have. Why? Not because he should not learn shoelaces, but I think the mother as well as the teacher should not abuse him for not having that dexterity to tie a shoelace. Because you will give him negative comments all the time. तुझे इतना भी नहीं आता. So when he opened his lunchbox, the napkin fell down. So the teacher says, you have butterfingers. Nothing stays on your desk. Negative. It's true, but we don't have to mention it. Look at the girl sitting next to you. Girls always have better dexterity. Research says that. I'm not biased. Girls have a better dexterity. But I know my niece, my brother's daughter. She opens the almirah, everything falls down. She goes to the makeup room because she's to go for a shoot. She leaves a ring there. She leaves a pashmina shawl there. And then her secretary will come and tell me, Buaji, this was all in the makeup room. It'll get lost. Please take it. So there are exceptions to these research findings that some genders are good, some are not. It's anxiety that is in us. We don't want to accept it. मैं कोई पागल थोड़ी हूँ मैं psychologist के पास जाऊं. That's our attitude. And दुख मुझे होता है जब क्लास 4 के बच्चे कहते हैं काउंसलर के लिए, यार तू उस मैम के पास क्यों जाता है? तू हिला हुआ है क्या? खिसका हुआ है क्या? Class 4? Is this the attitude towards a counselor? And here I am screaming and screaming. We don't need just one counselor in a school. Please, we need 10 counselors in every school. There should be a department of counseling psychology. If you have a department of mathematics, history, SST, why can't we have a counselors department? This is very important. बट हमारा सारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम है. आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं डॉक्टर ब्रूटा? हाँ, मुझे आपसे डर लगता है, आप तो मेरा माइंड रीड कर लोगे. मैंने कहा वो उसके पास जाने से डर नहीं लगता जो आपके हाथ की लकीरें पढ़ के आपको बताता है कि आपको क्या होने वाला है और आप इतने डरे होते हो. कुछ होने वाला है, पंडित ने भी कहा है. उसको पूछना था तेरे को कब हो रहा है ये बता दे पहले, मेरा तो बाद में बताना. I think my brother had so much anxiety because एक पंडित ने कह दिया तुम दोनों, me and my brother, are going to die at the age of 40. अभी 81 and a half हूँ यही. दोबारा बुलाओगे तो जिंदा ही आऊंगी, मरी हुई नहीं आऊंगी. Now, I know I talk a lot and I know you're fed up. I know I talk what you know, but you put it in your unconscious mind. I am bringing it to your notice that today when you go back to your classroom, though you are on the status of a teacher, a counselor, but you are as much a student as your student. We learn from each other. The biggest takeaway is that we have to use positive reinforcement rather than the negative reinforcement. I keep telling children, you can do it. You can do it. You're so good. My God. Will you go back and tell your mother, ma'am said you're one of my best students in the class? आपने एक प्लांट को खाद दी, एप्सन सॉल्ट दिया, सनशाइन दी, जो कोई नहीं देता. देना सीखो, लेना नहीं. It's very important to say, अगर इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर लेते तो और भी अच्छा हो जाता. अभी भी अच्छा ही है, बुरा नहीं है, बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं है. पर तुम्हारे नाम जितना सुंदर होना चाहिए ना, तो इसको थोड़ा ऐसे कर लो. वाओ, वन, मेरा नाम बहुत अच्छा है, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूं, ये काम मेरा अच्छा है, ज्यादा अच्छा हो सकता है. Wow. Counselor can say, आज कितनी डांट खा के आया मम्मी से, मेरे को बता दे, किसी और को मत बताना। वैसे तुम्हारी मम्मी बहुत अच्छी हैं, तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करती हैं, कभी कभी गुस्सा कर देती हैं। मुझे आवाजें आ रही थी, गुस्सा क्यों है, खाना नहीं खा रहा था। देन ही स्टार्ट blurting out कि कल क्या हुआ। Otherwise, they are fearful of saying anything about the mother because you will think that he doesn't love his mother. And mother has to be loved. Why? Why does she have to be loved? She's not a goddess or anything. She's not perfect. She makes mistakes. Sometimes I cry. I don't mind telling you that in front of my eldest son, who's 58. And I say, I feel so guilty that I was not a good mother to you. मम्मी ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? मैंने कहा हाँ, क्योंकि मैं उस समय इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड थी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत जल्दी प्रेग्नेंट हो गई। मेरी वो ख्वाहिशें कि मैं वहां घूमूंगी, मैं वहां घूमूंगी, वो पूरी नहीं हुई थी। बट आफ्टर यू ग्रू अप, that was 10 plus, I realized what a lovely companion you are. And I thought I was washing away my guilt. And the younger one, with sibling rivalry, said, "Oh, so I'm the waste matter of the family." I said, "Yeah." And they always tell me, used to tell me before COVID, "We hate you. We hate you. आपने हमें लड़कियों की तरह पाला है." I said, "वो क्या होता है?" आप हमें 8 बजे के बाद घर से बाहर नहीं जाने देती थी। I said, तभी ड्रग्स नहीं लेते ना, तभी स्मोक नहीं करते। पान वाले की दुकान पे खड़े होके क्या करते थे? Right? But when I always had this feeling that my kids hated me because I was not a good mother, because I was alert about everything. But when I went into a very critical stage in COVID at Gangaram Hospital, both of them said to the doctor, "Just send her back. We need her." And she narrated this to me. It gave me mental energy to fight my criticality. And that is what we need to give to ourselves and to our students, to our clients. I'll close. I want to show you something more that occurred in my mind. What was this? It's very important to understand how a child develops association of ideas. Because children have their own experiences. For example, I have a phobia for bats. They were childhood experiences. Someone else can have a phobia for a teacher. Someone can have a phobia for maths and yet be good in maths, but it's not because of the phobia. Someone can have a phobia for social studies because he's not a man of many words. Because he or she has received bad comments, negative comments. So when he's about to learn something positive, he makes it negative because he has a bad association of ideas with the language being used. Can we see that our words, our social interaction, give and take, should be that we learn and the world learns from us? Maybe you knew everything that I spoke. Maybe I spoke nonsense. But मेरा दिल था कि मैं आप तक रीच करूं, आपके दिल को जगाऊं, सोने ना दूं, क्योंकि आप आजकल खुद भी टेलीफोन पे लगे रहते हो। बच्चों को तो मना करते हो पर खुद कम नहीं हो। थोड़ा सा एक्सक्लूसिव टाइम लगा के विद पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स हम इवन कोलीग्स के साथ बैठे तो our workplace also becomes more positive. That's very important. लेकिन इतने में अगर मैंने कुछ गलत भी कहा हो तो आपसे क्षमा मांगती हूँ। प्लीज घर जाके गाली मत देना। सोना मैम को मत कहना किसको बुला लिया था, दिमाग चाट गई हमारा। Don't say that. You all are beautiful human beings. You have not explored your inner self. You can be so good. जब भी गुस्सा आए स्टूडेंट पे, अपने पे, मम्मी पे, पापा पे, नेबर पे, कॉलीग पे, always keep a polo in your purse, in your pocket, sir. उस गुस्से को थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में परिवर्तन करने के लिए 2 पोलो जेब से निकालो और मुंह में चूसते रहो। उसका फिजियोलॉजिकली क्या इम्पैक्ट है? उसका फिजियोलॉजिकली इम्पैक्ट है कि पोलो इज द हार्डेस्ट कैंडी दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ। You remember the mint with a hole? That's what I mean. And when you chew it, the process is very near the brain. अगर गुस्सा आ रहा होगा सारा उसी चबाने में निकल जाएगा, दूसरे पे नहीं जाएगा। मैं तो राशन में मंगवाती हूँ 2 डिब्बे। मैं कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स को भी देती थी। बच्चे क्यों इतना शोर मचा रहे, इतने प्यारे हो तुम, तो मम्मी पापा तो कुछ भी नहीं है तुम्हारे सामने, तुम इतने प्यारे हो। आई मीन इट। गुस्सा आ रहा है, ये पोलो लेना यार। At the end, I will say, in my master's program, when I joined the University Department of Psychology, one boy said, मैम मुझे आपसे कुछ बात करनी है, आ जाऊं? मैं कहा हाँ आ जाओ, मुझे आप ना बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती। हाँ, पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? 2 साल मुझे झेलते रहे, पहले बताना था। क्या बताते? जब आता हूं गुस्से से भरा हुआ, प्यार से मुझे ठंडा करके भेज देती हैं। मुझे गुस्सा करना अच्छा लगता है। मैं कहा क्यों? गुस्से से पावर मिलती है। मैंने कहा किसको? मेरे दादाजी को, मेरे पापा को, किस किस को? अरुणा ब्रूटा ठीक करेगी। मॉडलिंग देखो ना घर में क्या अवेलेबल है। मैंने कहा जब वो 2 लड़ते हो ना तो आप कहा करो पापा आपका टेलीफोन आया, कोई बहुत प्राइवेट बंदा पता नहीं पागल है, वो कहता है कि मुझे तो आपसे ही बात करनी। कोई नहीं आया, तो आप मुझे झूठ बोलना सिखा रही हैं। मैं कहा मैं हरीश चंद्र नहीं हूं। वो चला गया, पास आउट हो गया, एक दिन कहीं मिल गया सेमिनार में कहीं। He stays in एक जगह का नाम है मुजफ्फरनगर, एक का मुजफ्फरपुर, मुझे नहीं याद which where he stays there. He had come to Delhi for a seminar, tried to see me. Fortunately, I was also there. मैं कहा क्या हाल है, क्या हो रहा है? कुछ नहीं, वो जो खिचपिच घर में रहती थी वो खत्म है। मैंने कहा तो तुमने मुझे बताया ही नहीं। So what happens? Children also, when everything is hunky dory, don't want to connect with you, right? And when you sit in the car, and you will understand what I'm going to say. When you sit in the car and Bruda Saab plays Jagjit Singh, तुम इतना क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो? I said, कौन मर गया, किसका चौथा है, ये क्यों रो रहा है? He says, तुम्हारी म्यूजिक सेंस का क्या हुआ है? You loved the same things which I love. And I said, यार सुबह से रात तक कोई सुखी आदमी तो आता नहीं मेरे पास। वो सारा अंदर मेरे होता है। अब जगजीत सिंह को भी मैं सुनने लगूंगी तो मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी? आई एम गोइंग टू कनॉट प्लेस विद यू। So what you have to learn is that everybody is in a learning process. If we can reduce our anger, if we can reduce our negativity, the emotional learning will get into logical learning, both for the person you're interacting with and for your own self. So your headaches will reduce, your constipation will reduce, your loose motions would reduce, and you will be a beautiful human being. Thank you very much. God bless you. भूल चुक माफ करना मुझे।